This is a 15-minute workout. It's low impact, it's knee friendly. It's also HIIT style training and fat burning exercises. What we're going to do, we're going to include your warm up, the workout, cool down, all in just 15 minutes at home. So if you're ready, let's get started. So just follow along with this first step. All we're going to do is we're literally just going to do these side steps, just go from side to side. Now let's just add in some arms. And the point of this is just to really help mobilize through all your joints. Just take those arms a bit higher. Now take them low. Just follow along. It doesn't matter if you're not in time. This is all just about preparing your body for the workout ahead. Just reach those arms up. Still doing that side step. Let's take that double arms, reach across, then reach up. And now this time, just follow along, just give me these bent knees. We're just doing these hamstring curls and just open and close with the arms. So we're just mobilizing through your hips, your knees, shoulders, elbows. That's good. And this warm-up just loosens up your hips, shoulders, knees, and just makes it easier for your workout ahead. Now let me show you a preview of the first move. So for this one, we're just going to step forward to a knee drive. All right, so let's get ready and now take that forward to that knee drive. So how it's going to work today, we're going to do 50 seconds of a HIIT exercise, which is what this is. Then you've got 10 seconds recovery. So step forwards, drive that knee up. Let's keep that going. So this is low impact, but it's still what I refer to as high intensity. So we're still going to be doing that fat burning calories. It's knee friendly. Let's just keep going. So drive that knee up, really put power through that. And the great thing is with this move as well, it's going to really help with your core. It's going to help with stability, mobility, and balance. Keeping that going. So you'll then have a 10 seconds recovery once we've completed this first move. And well done. All right, just march it out. So you can see your next move. We're going to do 4 power punches, 2 side steps, 4 power punches. If you want to make it harder, punch up. So let's get ready. Travel that across for 2. Now power punches for 4. Travel it across for 2. Punch in front or up, depending how hard you want this to feel. That's good. So it's just that lateral side step. You want to make it harder. Punch those arms up higher. Good, just keeping that going. So this 15-minute workout today includes everything: your warm-up, quick 12-minute HIIT, and then a cool down. Punch those arms up, that's good, and take that nice and wide with that side step. So again, it's low impact, knee friendly. Travel that side to side. Keeping that going, that's good. Doing really well. And done on that one. All right, let's just have a look at your next move. So you can just get your breath back. This one, we're just going to do that half low impact star. So let's get ready. Arm up and over and take the foot out to the side. So it's that lateral tap out. And the nice thing is, while you're doing this at home, as I always say, this is low impact. So you could do this in your pajamas. These are just quick little workouts, 15 minutes. We can all find that. And it's all about just investing in your future health. And really exaggerate taking that arm up and over. And I think now is a really good point. Let's just be grateful for every step, every stretch, because movement is a blessing. We should never take it for granted. If you're here and doing this right now, how lucky are you that you can move your body? All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. Last few seconds. All right, well done. So march it out. This way you get your breath back. Deep breath in, deep breath out. This is the HIIT part of the training. So you have your 50 seconds intense. Now you have your recovery. Let's take that back up again. So just imagine you're doing cross-country skiing here and really swing through with those arms. If you want to make it a bit harder, take that bend through the legs a little bit deeper. Again, just 50 seconds. You can see the arrow there traveling up. That represents the time. Make that move as deep as you can, and just think here, just think of all the different joints that you're working, your ankle, your knee, your hip, your shoulders, and this is where we're getting these full body moves as well. Last few seconds, just keep going. All right, well done. So just march it out and just have a look at your next move. So for this one, we're simply going to do alternating punches and just tap the foot behind. So let's get ready and just punch in front and tap that foot back. So again here, another really nice move. Again, think of the joints we're working through your shoulder joint, your elbow joint, your hip joint, your knee joint. And the more joints you're working, the more muscles we're using as well. And just put power between each punch. If you want to make it a bit harder, you could always punch both arms at the same time, and then equally you can take them up higher as well. That's good. We're well over halfway on this move. This one as well, we're also working the arms, the glutes and your abs. Plus we're keeping that heart rate up for this 50-second HIIT section. All right, well done. Okay, so for your next move, this time we're going to do these knee drives. You're going to do 3 each leg and then just change. So it works a bit of coordination. So go 1, 2, 3, change, take that to the other leg and just keep alternating. So this here, really good now, working your balance, your mobility, strength, and also really good for working through your core. Doing really well. Drive that knee up, keep that focused. 3 of those knee drives. That's good. Drive that knee up. Well done. Keep that nice and strong. Keep it focused. Just really use those core muscles to help with your balance as well while you're doing this. Last little bit. And let's go 1, take it 2. And 3, 1 more, and well done. All right, so next move, this one here, we're just going to do a little side step from one side to the other with a little bend and just swing through the arms. So step it wide and just then bend and straighten through the elbows. So here we're targeting a little bit more through the lateral muscles, your outer and inner thighs as well. And again, all these exercises, these are knee friendly. So what we're actually doing is we're going to help with your knee health because we're building strength through the muscles around that support through the knee joint. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. And the last 2 minutes of this workout is actually going to be your cool down stretch. So we haven't got that much longer to go on your HIIT training. Okay, so next move, we're going to have fun with this. So we're going to kick in front, either leg, and then behind either leg. If you struggle with balance bit, place one hand by the wall. So let's kick in front. Now kick the other leg in front and then behind and behind. So it's like we're working all directions here. And again with this one, really important, keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight. That's going to really help with your balance and stability. Kick in front, then kick that behind. Really good. So here, obviously, this is great for your lower body, flexibility, also working those tummy muscles. That's good, keeping that going. And really just make sure, put as much power as you can between each kick for me. Kick it behind, that's good. Imagine you're kicking something shut. And well done. All right, so next move for this one, and you are doing really well, you should be glowing. What I want you to do, imagine you've got a box on the floor, you're going to pick it up and put it on a shelf. So pick up that box, put it on the shelf, put it down and onto another shelf. So just keep going. So here again, lovely lower body exercise. And just think the exercise today that you do is for your future health. So this is about helping how you feel tomorrow. All right, that's good. So here, because we're taking the arms above heart level, is how we're really increasing that intensity. That's why it's a 50-second hip move. Keeping that going. And reach those arms up nice and high. Just imagine we've got that box, putting it on the shelf. Side to side. And you'll feel that in the glutes as well, especially as you bring that leg up. On the leg, you're tapping slightly behind as you extend. All right, well done. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's have a look at the next move. This one here, we're just going to do these toe taps in front and just swing both arms directly above. So here looks really easy, but this will really get your heart rate up. And if you want to, just do as I'm doing there, just kind of travel around the room, just move from side to side. So this is a little bit of a different workout because I'm including your warm-up, cool down. Do let me know in the comments down below if you've liked this. And also always let me know if there's specific workouts you'd like me to create. That's what I want to do as your online trainer, is just give you the best, safest, most effective workouts you can do at home. All right, that's good. Last little bit. Let's just keep going, lifting those arms, tapping that foot in front. And just march out. So let's have a look at your next move. This one here, we're going to do punches and then kicks. So we'll go for 4 kicks and then 4 power punches. Give me 4 of these alternating kicks. Now give me 4 punches and just keep alternating that for 50 seconds. All right, that's good. Those power punches. Doing really well. I've nearly finished the hip part of the training, so let's just keep going. Then we'll take that to your cool down. Give me that kick. That's good. Punch those arms. Power through each move and focus on keeping that upper body nice and tall for me and lifted. Last little bit. Make those punches as hard as you can now. And let's just go for another 4 of those kicks and well done. All right, so next move, this is the last move of the HIIT training. We're going to go for these 4 waist twists to 4 knee drives. So let's get ready. Drive the knee up, 3, take it 2 and 1. Now give me 4 of these waist twists and then keep alternating. When you do these waist twists, make sure you keep those hips nice and still for me. Drive the knee up and 1. Bring it back to really working those abs. So the last part for this HIIT part, we're really focusing on doing your abdominals, core strength. Drive that knee up, upper body stays straight, doing really well. Give me that twist. Keep that upper body nice and tall. Go from side to side. And well done. All right, so let's just take that heart rate back down. That is the HIIT part of the training done. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. If you want longer, remember you can always press pause. What we're going to do, we're going to do some stretches now, stretch out those muscles. So just follow along. For this first stretch, just step that foot behind and hands now come onto your bent leg. Then just lean forward and just feel that stretch through that calf muscle. Holding that there. Just lean forward into it. The heel stays on the ground on the leg behind. Let's change. And now take that opposite leg behind, step that foot behind. Hands come onto that bent leg above the knee. Again, feel that stretch through the calf muscle. And now come up to standing. So this time now, just bend through one leg, extend the opposite leg out straight, toes point up, hands are always on the bent leg, and you're feeling this through the back of the extended leg, on the back of the upper thigh, the hamstring. And now let's take that to the other side. So again, just where I'm pointing, that's where we feel the stretch. Lift those toes up, just to really intensify that hamstring stretch. And now coming up standing. If you need to for balance quadricep, place your hand by a wall. So yeah, do let me know. It's quite hard to include the warm up, the workout, the cool down, do it all in 15 minutes, but I think we've done it. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. And just make sure that supporting legs always slightly bent when we're doing that quadricep stretch. Feel that stretch running down the front of the thigh. Now take those arms in front and just really feel that stretch through the top of the upper back. And now take those arms behind, feeling that through the front of your chest, holding that there. So well done, that is your complete workout done. Your warm up, your workout and your cool down. Really well done. Remember what you and I have just done is invested in your future health. There is your high five and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.